Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Agent Lee, and I want to share with you the results of STEEM. Back when STEEM was 14 cents, I said STEEM is going to explode. And I said to buy once this resistance is taken out to the upside. Had you bought then, currently you'd be having 85% in profits. What's really exciting is what's going on with STEEM dollar. It exploded to as high as almost $11. Now we saw this, the exact same script, play out during the 2017 manic run. That's when STEEM reached $11. Right here. And back then, STEEM dollar was exploding. And STEEM was just a little behind. And the same thing is happening. I believe sooner or later we'll see an explosion of STEEM towards $2 or $4.50. That's from about 5 to 10x. Come trade right next to me at hedging.com as a gold member. Only gold members get trade alerts. Have a good day.